I've chosen to use Google Drive as my cloud storage. Within my Google Drive, I've created two folders, one for EDCI and one for another class. Within my EDCI folder, I've created another folder called Child Development, which includes some of my work that I've done for my badges. To create a folder, you just have to click My Drive, and it'll drop down this bar, and then you hit New Folder. You can name it, so I could name this one Badges. Save it, and then it would be another folder, and then to just add it into another folder, you just drag it over and put it within. So now my EDCI folder has badges as well as child development. To create a new doc, you just have to click New, and then you go down and you can create a new Google Doc, new Google Sheets, or new Google Slide. I'm going to choose Doc. The nice thing about Google Drive is it automatically saves for you, so there's nothing that you have to do any further than just type and let it save itself. So I type, and you'll see it says saving, and then it says all changes saved. So it's automatic. And then if I want to title the document, I can just title it hello, and then it's automatically saved. So when I go back to my Google Drive, it'll be here as hello, and I just have to drag it into whichever one I would like to add it to. And then I'm done. Thank you. To share one of your folders with someone, you just have to click on the folder, wherever you're at, and then you'll click Share. And then it'll come up and you can just type in an address. So if I type in my mom's email address and click on it, I can hit send and it'll send right to her and she'll get an email saying that I shared it with her.